welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you how to recover deleted draft videos on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. The app will appear in front of you. You have to click on the profile and now click on the right top corners. There are three lines. Now click on setting and privacy. Click on account. Now you can see download your data. Click on this. After that you can see request data. You have to click on the request data. All your deleted draft videos or other videos will be recovered in your phone. That was all that how to recover draft videos on TikTok. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.